Hi friends, today we want to learn how to do slime with me. So now take three slime glue. You can add afterwards. So what's your favorite color, and you can blend them. Now first is the ingredients is slime glue, borax activator, the 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 makeup thing salt, and then the 2 spoons and one bowl and one small bowl. Now I select purple color, and then I will pour some slime glue at the ball, and then now I want to mix with borax activator. Okay, enough. Okay, after this I want to add some borax activator. First we want to see the slimes at shade. Okay, now we pour some borax activator. Don't pour, want to pour little bit only, don't pour so many. Okay, now now already the slime is ready, and then now we want to add the bead salt, the purple color. Now we do purple color, right? Now add all the purple color beads, then now mix. Now the slime is ready. Thank you.